How to free up storage on Dropbox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can free up storage on Dropbox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Over time, you know that Dropbox only gives you 2 GB of free storage, and over time this storage is actually going to get full because of the files that you share across it. So if you want to actually go ahead and free up storage, of course the only basic thing here is to make sure to delete some of the files that you have. So you can just go to this all files section, look for the unnecessary files that you don't really need, and then you can just click the 3 dots option next to it, and then you can click the delete option to delete that file or the folder. Once you've done that, when you delete all the unnecessary files, there's one more place that you have to delete it from, and that is from the deleted files section. So you have to come to this deleted files section over here. You'll be able to see all the files that you've deleted, and then you can simply empty all this, right? So you can just select this as well, and you can choose to delete them permanently from your recycle bin as well. When you also delete them from your recycle bin, it is going to get removed and your storage is going to get freed up. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically free up some storage on Dropbox. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.